Hi there and welcome back to a Quick Win Wednesday. In this video we're going to have a look at how to create everything with just one command. That's quite easy and let's dive into it. Okay, so we're using the same project as before, but we're going to create everything we need here with just one simple command. So imagine you want to create a book model. So PHP Artisan make model book, right? And you want to make a migration with that, simple -m, a factory, an F, and things like that. But what if you in the future you have to like also have requests, policies, and things like that. You can just easily -a, and that will create all for you. Hit enter, and that created a model. It created a factory, it created a migration, it created a seeder, it created two requests here for the store book and update book request. It created the controller and it created the policy. And all those things, let's dive into the code here. The model, the book, the controller, which actually is a resource controller with everything inside already. The policy, everything is already model bound. And ready to go for you. So I think this is actually pretty cool that you can create everything you need in one command. You don't need to go ahead and write all those commands separately. I tend to use this quite often and just delete something I don't need afterwards, which saves me a lot of time. So I hope you learned something from this one, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.